Here's a quick video of an Amiga A4000T booting up. To open it up, you have to push on this case to pop it open. And then up here is the power button. You hear the fans come on. I've got it connected to my Amiga 1080 monitor that I have on my Amiga 1000. Very cool computer. But for now, as you can see, it boots quickly up to Amiga 3.1. Here's the cursor moving. Here's the work directory, workbench, tools, calculator. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So as you can see, everything boots up. She's got almost 33 megabytes of memory, and that is the Amiga A4000T. And to shut off an Amiga, you just push the power button and the screen goes black. There you go.